Good morning, kindergartners. Today I'm here to show you our brand new calendar math that you will be doing every day for the month of December. The first thing you're going to do is you will look at your Seesaw activity. You will see a calendar that has no numbers. It just has the days of the week. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to write the month. We are now in the month of December. I'm going to show you how to write December, and you can pause this video and you could write it in your own calendar on Seesaw if you wanted. So December is capital D because it's the name of a month. Then we have an E, a C, an E, an M. I'm using my writing tool. At B, an E, and an R. So you're going to take your pencil and write December at the top of your calendar. Then today is December 1st. It is Tuesday, just like we said in our morning meeting. So we're going to write a number 1 under Tuesday. Tomorrow when you do your Seesaw calendar, you'll write the number 2, and then on Thursday you'll write 3, and then on Friday you'll write 4, and so on until we get all the way to the end of December. Remember to only write one number every day. The next page of your calendar will look like this. It's called our Days on 100 chart. Now, this will be a little bit different because you're going to have to do some more work the first day you do calendar today. So we have been in school for 46 school days. So I'm going to show you where 46 is, and I'm going to trace it with my pencil or my writing tool. You're going to do the same, except you will have to do some extra work to catch up to me. You're going to start by tracing the number 1 all the way till you get to 46. Stop when you get to 46, because then the next day you'll write 47. The next day you'll write 48. So you only have to write and trace a lot of numbers today to catch up to where we are. So you're going to trace the number 1 and go all the way to 10, and then 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. Stop when you get to 46. Then every day after, you only have to trace one number each day. You will be in charge of doing this every day, so make sure you don't forget or you'll get behind. If we get to the next chart, that will be past 100. Then you're going to go to our days in 10 frames. And for this one, we're just going to do the days of December. So we're going to fill in our 10 frame by making a little dot for December 1st. That means 1. That's all you have to do. Just make one dot. Tomorrow you'll come back and you'll make 2. And then the next day you'll do a third dot. The next day you'll do a fourth dot. So only one dot every day. And remember, these are only the days we've come to school. So you do not have to make dots for Saturday or Sunday. Just the days Monday through Friday. The next one is a fun one. This is called tally marks. Tally marks are straight lines and they come in groups of 5. So today you'll start with just the first box. You're going to have to write it small. You're going to make one tally mark. Then tomorrow you'll make a second tally mark, then a third tally mark, a fourth tally mark, and then on day 5, I'm going to show you what that would look like. Pretend it was today, and then this is what I would do tomorrow, and then Wednesday, and then Thursday, and then Friday. When we make a group of 5, we cross over. Once we have a group of 5 that looks like this, the next tally mark we make is going to start a new group of 5. Now, I showed you what it would look like after 5 days, but remember, you're only going to make one tally mark like this for December 1st. Next is the weather. You're going to look outside your window. I want you to see and think about what the weather looks like outside your window. Maybe it's sunny, windy, cloudy, snowy, and rainy. Pretend it was sunny. If it's sunny, I'm going to use my coloring tool. I'm going to fill it in over here. You could use a crayon. You can use your pencil. Try to fill in the box. I'm not doing such a good job. Now, if it was sunny and windy, you could do both. Or if it's snowy and cloudy, you could do both. But remember, only fill in one box at a time. Don't fill in all the boxes for sunny or all the boxes for windy because you're only looking at the weather for every day. Okay, let's see. I think that's it. So remember, you will do your calendar on Seesaw every day. You do not need to press the green check when you're done. It will just save it for you. It will save the draft, and then you'll come back and you'll work on it every day. So it will stay in your journal every day. Do not press the green check mark. Otherwise, you won't be able to go back in and keep doing it every morning. I hope that you have fun with our new calendar activity.